Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best LED flashlights on Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is J5 Tactical V1 Pro LED Flashlight. J5 range of tactical flashlight. J5 V1 Pro hasHe got the bright LED flashlight. Designed to emit the brightest lights are lanterns designed for a lasting shine the whole room to the strength of the light bulbs 10 times. That is often treated by AA batteries or a rechargeable battery with 14,500 battery. In terms of design, the J5 Tactical V1 Pro is compact and light store. It has an adjustable focus and allows 3 different mode applications. It can let your dog go on the hunt, be used expeditions or anywhere in your home, thanks to its beam and narrow zoom. Start and end your camping trip with these tactical flashlight J5 series lanterns. He sits comfortably in your pocket, bag, or backpack, because of its solid and extremely compact storage box. This tactical flashlight is extremely durable and comes with water resistance properties. Submersible corresponds to a depth of 9 feet without problems, and it was tried in various ways to check its durability. Every one example of this flashlight is a clear winner, therefore, we are sure that it will work smoothly in all types of weather. You can put all your J5 in the premises of torches that their kitchen needed, more like vehicle and garage, and you can also offer it as a gift to friends and family. This also comes light, having a replacement and refund LED daylight guaranteed if you are not satisfied with the quality or performance. If you experience any problems with these lights, you can opt for a full refund, asked, or replacement with more questions. Number 2. Our second best pick is Anker Super Bright Tactical LED Flashlight. No torches lit, the brightest tactical flashlight. Anker. Constructed of only the hardest of metals, Anker is a great creation extended by professionals for maximum light sections distances without problems. It is, by means of anodizing and it was easy to resist chipping and scratches, formed. You breathe an elegant and classic look that is loved by many and, preferably, with only the best grip for anyone who clings promise delivered to them. The torch design Anker Tactic is simple but elegant. Has a compact design, makes it easy to transport, a space for others. Outside, this LED flashlight has a better anti-sliding finish and his unit stands on help for an emergency light. Once it is fully charged, you can use your tactical flashlight for up to 6 hours mode when the medium is used. In such a setting, the brightness is not performed at the risk of decay, not the level of light output. It comes with a 3350 mAh battery. After purchasing the Super Anker flashlight, customers will get the complete package including the given torch itself, a micro USB cable, rechargeable battery, a welcome guide, and our carefree 18 months warranty. Number 3. Our third best pick is Maglite LED 3-cell D LED Flashlight. LED Flashlight Maglite D is a model designed Maglite, high quality and excellent processing to see through you dark, no matter how big or far away. It is also waterproof unit, has sealed water and brings light to extraordinary hold radiation for all users in all situations. To improve the corrosion resistance, this flashlight has been anodized inside. Added to this is that the construction of this LED flashlight is sturdy and durable. This unit can regularly withstand drops onto hard surfaces or immersion in water easily. Developed and lighting professionals have this device designed with auto increase called diamond concept to your projection beam and makes it more suitable for activities such as hunting, climbing, camping and light bulb fishing. That is of the flashlight Maglite LED, as these lamps are unbreakable and more efficient in general. The regular light from a company supplied that has been in there are about 5 decades. Mag Instrument Incorporated is a U.S. manufacturer known for the design and manufacture of high-quality tools and equipment. These torches are made for use by the military, agents of order and ordinary people in search of a kind safety. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is GearLight high-powered LED flashlight. gears and light your way to your satisfaction with LED GearLightFlashlight. In recent years, we have different styles of torches. The founder let in 2 soccer fields to see, but never have come upon an innovation like this. Boldly Flashlight GearLight explains in detail the technology with its innovative design elements and promise manufacturer fulfill the promise of functionality, along with durability. It takes a simple touch and an agreement with the highest value to achieve such a flashlight. The GearLight has excellent design and is a central light source with enough energy for your next camping trip or adventure. Typically hiking, is the flashlight 12 times to GearLight lighter than comparable models. It has a compact shape that simply allowed storage and movement of the bag to a backpack and vice versa. These light sources emit a tactical extremely wide light beam, the large rooms lit as your back and forth terrace. Using LEDs also makes a more sustainable and profitable model for all situations. For operation at full standard capacity, brands GearLight flashlight with 3 AA batteries they sold separately. These flashlight users get to go away and sweeps a greater focus on a specific object or area several feet away. It no matter the weather condition of your city, and has GearLight it was developed and works in rain and snow thanks to robust aluminum frame that makes it durable. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Coast HP1190 Lumen Pure Beam Focusing LED Flashlight. Our focus moves to the next LED flashlight on our list, the Coast LED Flashlight, a larger lumen jet unit for long-life constructed focusing and exceptional functionality. Costa HP1 flashlight is made by Costa Products, a 97-year-old company who has seen the comfort of your customers through the design of their products. All products include Coastal's infinite number of hardware, automotive, industrial and sports activities. There are various models of LED flashlights on the market today, with most of them house the same design features. Offer a brand it stands out as exciting and very innovative, employees and family. Costa has the second best solution is designed, a flashlight for the 21st century individually. This LED flashlight has all the essentials necessary for the production of a normal flashlight, combined seamlessly with new technologies and innovative strategies to help lantern exhibition and outstanding performance during the torch Costa times. The HP1 is made small for use as an LED flashlight, tactical or mounted handheld. It works with the help of AA alkaline rechargeable lithium batteries. Batteries as for performance and value exceeds this device many of its competitors by far. Its high production and quality, the nature and objectives of the company and the design of ground rules. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.